Welcome back to Land a House. The angle grinder is one of my favorite shop tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make this very simple French cleat storage shelf for my angle grinder. To start off, I have my cleat here, and I'm going to use the guard of the angle grinder to hold the tool up. And so I have placed a piece of plywood here on the edge and marked out that I want this to be from right here, and then I have this other mark for where the other piece is going to be in here. And so I also want a little bit of trailing material here so that it will lock in that cleat. So what I want to do is I've also marked right here that I want the top of this triangular piece to match up with the top here. So it'll have plenty of space to hold on to. And now I'm just going to use a straight edge to go from this point here, and I think I might just add a little bit down here so that it's not just a really sharp edge. I'm going to use these two triangular pieces just like this. That's going to make the shelf for the angle grinder to sit on. But I also want to insert a dowel here. I've got a 3/8 inch dowel, and that's going to be kind of angled up on the side so that the cord can be wrapped up around that. So I'm just going to come about right here, somewhere in this area, and I'm going to try and angle a 3/8 inch bit upwards so that I can get that dowel in there. Let's see how well that's going to do. Yeah, just like that. And so now the cord can fit on there and hopefully be out of the way. I'm going to pre-drill where I'm going to be inserting the triangular pieces so that I don't have any tear out issues. Then I can go ahead and get the wood glue. I'm going to use some Tite Bond on here. Well, I decided I probably better pre-drill into the triangular pieces as well so that I'm not worried about those cracking here. Okay, now let's try it with the screw. Cool. Alright, now I can get the other one here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you to build a little angle grinder storage shelf. This one is super simple, but very effective. Cord just rests there nice and easy, and any size disc you're using here will just simply fit on there, wrap the cord up, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.